Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota RAV4 hood. First, locate the hood release handle inside your vehicle. It's typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side, often to the left. Give this handle a firm pull towards you. You should hear a clear pop sound, indicating that the primary latch has disengaged. Now, proceed to the front of your Toyota RAV4. The hood will be slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand into the gap just above the grille. You'll be looking for a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to push it to the side. Depending on your RAV4 model, this lever usually slides either to the left or to the right. After pushing the latch, you can then gently lift the hood all the way up. It should now move freely, allowing full access to the engine bay. To keep the hood safely open, locate the metal prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Remove it from its clips. Then, find the designated hole or slot in the engine bay, often near the front fender, and insert the end of the prop rod firmly into it. This ensures the hood remains securely elevated while you work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.